Palworld 1.0 keeps crashing after update 2026. Step 1. Remove all mods. Completely remove all installed mods and mod loaders. Simply disabling mods is not enough after the 1.0 update. Step 2. Verify game files. Steam, Library, Palworld, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Allow Steam to re-download any missing or corrupted files. Step 3. Restart your PC. Close Palworld completely. Restart your computer before launching the game again. Step 4. Update your graphics driver. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Restart your PC after the installation. Step 5. Disable Steam and Discord overlays. Turn off the Steam overlay. Disable the Discord overlay and any FPS monitoring software. Close MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner if running. Step 6. Delete leftover mod files. Open the Palworld installation folder. Remove leftover files from the PAX and Win64 folders if you previously used mods. Verify the game files again afterward. Step 7. Run Palworld as administrator. Right-click palworld.exe. Select Run as Administrator. Step 8. Close background applications. Close unnecessary applications before launching the game. Disable RGB software, recording software, and unnecessary startup apps. Step 9. Lower graphics settings. Switch to borderless windowed mode. Lower texture quality, shadows, and view distance if the game crashes during gameplay. Now, Step 10. Allow Palworld through Firewall. Add Palworld to your Windows Firewall exceptions. Also allow it through your antivirus software. Step 11. Install the latest Windows updates. Open Windows Update. Install all available updates and restart your PC. Step 12. Reinstall Palworld. Last resort. Uninstall Palworld completely. Delete any remaining game folders. Reinstall the latest version of the game.